Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint quirky Turkey Tina Belcher from Bob's Burgers. I'm gonna start with a simple base color. Feel free to sketch out your design on the nail. Now get your colors ready. Everything I use is listed in my Amazon storefront. Time to start color blocking. Take your time with each section until every color is included. Once you're done color blocking, apply either a glossy top coat and buff until it's matte, or just apply a matte top coat. This makes outlining so much easier. Finally, go ahead and apply the top coat of your choice. Thank you so much for watching.